Hey guys, today we'll be doing something a little different. I'll be showing you how to install and use the auto subtitle generator in kdenlive. Okay, so there's a couple things you're going to need to download first. We're going to go to python.org, and the links for everything is going to be in the description below. We're going to go to python.org, we're going to go to downloads, and you want to select the latest version. It needs to be Python 3, not Python 2, otherwise it's not going to work. And I currently have 3.10.4. at the time of this recording. I already have this downloaded, but I will show you when you click on modify, just make sure that everything that I have checked, you also have checked. And once you've downloaded that, you have to go to the Microsoft Store and download Python 3.10. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. And once you've downloaded that, then we can go over here to docs.kdenlive.org, and we need to download this install vosk srt zip file. And I already have this downloaded, and you see it's right here, and I will right click it, extract all, and you will get this file here, and you right click and run as administrator, and you will get this message here. You just click on more info and click run anyways, and it will pop up and it'll run for you. And as you can see, the requirements already been satisfied for me because I already have this downloaded. Once we're done with this, then we can go into kdenlive. We're going to go to settings, configure, and we're going to go down to speech to text, and this link that's right here, we're going to click on this, and this will give you a list of all the different languages that kdenlive supports, which is quite a lot. And I am in the United States, so I'm using English, and I use the small version. You can use the larger file size if you would like, but this works fine for me, so I'd recommend just doing this since I can 100% confirm that this works. So we're going to download this, and we see we have it right here as a zip file, and we're going to right click it and click extract all and click extract, and as you see, I already have this extracted. So I don't need to do it again, but you'll get a file that looks just like this. And once you get that, you can go back into kdenlive, and we're going to click on the custom folder, and you're going to go in here and you're going to select the file that we just downloaded. Don't double click it and select it like this. You want to click the folder once, and then we're just going to click select folder, and it's going to appear here. You click apply, click OK. You can check configuration for like updates and all that stuff. And once that's done, I mean, that's pretty much it. And you can start importing your subtitles automatically. And so since I already have some subtitles up already here, I'm just going to drag this bar over. And we'll click on this. This is the subtitle button. And we'll click on the magic wand that says the speech recognition. And we select our language, which is right here. And you can select all tracks and it will do the entire thing for you. Or you can select the time zone selected track, which is the blue bar that we just drug over. And then you just click on process and it will do it all for you. Now this subtitles isn't going to be 100% accurate all the time, depending on like speech and like mumbling and all that and how well it picks it up. But generally, it does a pretty good job, and the editing is very minimal, and it usually puts the speech right on top of the words for you, so you don't have to do much editing, adding the boxes or anything like that.
Well, I guess if the server isn't too active.
Yeah, this isn't a very exciting server to be on. So you see it missed a few. It says this isn't, and it just did us. So I would just type in this, and it would finish it for me. And that's really it. And so for an add-on bonus, I will show you how to get the color on your text. You can get different colors, and that is going into Google. And the link for this is also in the description. And this is what you're going to use to get the color. And I use this website here to select my colors. I go to the color picker, and it'll give you a contrast, so you can select your background color, and then you can select your text color, and then whichever color that you find that you really like, you just copy this, and you're going to go over here, and you see this right here is what you're going to replace with the text that you just copied. So when we go into kdenlive, you'll see that this text here is pink, and I will just select it. And now when I click, it turns to red. And of course, I can just undo it and it goes right back to pink. And if you want to italicize it, make it bold, you just put this in there. And when you're doing your text, you just make sure that your text is between these arrows right here. And if you're going to do like bold, you put the bold on the outsides. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Like the video and let me know if I should do any more videos like this. And that is all.